Hi, everyone. Welcome to our Spotlight Break. My name is Samantha Ziesmer, and I have my colleague with me, Danielle Engel. We are both product managers at TrueStage in the FinTech Solutions Department, and we're going to spend the next 10 minutes talking to you about the product we work on. It's called the Digital Storefront. The Digital Storefront is a SaaS solution. It delivers personalized offers to members and prospective members right where they are. So for your members who are logging into home banking, they can see a storefront of personalized offers and services that you want to promote to them. Take advantage of them and move forward with other offers.
And you can see that there are 3 modules that you can purchase within the digital storefront. The first and the oldest module we have is the lending module. There are 3 different types of offers that can be presented through lending. You can present pre-screens of different types of lending products, invitations to apply, or wildcards. Wildcards are really a black box for you to showcase your services or events at your credit union. We also have a new deposits module that launched last summer that allows you to make certificates, savings accounts, money markets, and soon checking offers to your members. And then lastly, we have a distribution module, which comes included with either of the others. It allows you to make offers to your members related to insurance and ancillary products.
I'm going to hop in and show you a live demo of our product. This is something, again, that we have in market today. We have a deposits module, like Danielle mentioned, and I'm going to show you some highlights of just the storefront overall. You can see that this is in the context of home banking. So this Savannah is one of your members. She's logged into home banking, and she's presented with a carousel of featured offers. These are offers of services or products or announcements that you're looking to highlight. So Savannah can go through, she can see what offers that are being promoted, but if she scrolls down, she can see other offers and services. And she can see a section that's called Just for Her. She can see lending offers, like Danielle mentioned. We have these pre-approvals, and these are powered by a bureau pre-screen. And so this means there's nothing that Savannah has to do to check if she's pre-approved or see if she meets eligibility. She can see that she's pre-approved and take advantage of that pre-approved firm offer of credit. As I scroll down, you can see some of those ancillary services like Danielle mentioned, mechanical repair coverage gap, credit card offers. Some she might be pre-approved for, some she may have to apply for, and other loans and services. You can also see this high yield savings. Looks like she's already taken advantage of that. So that shows up as well as redeemed. So as I scroll up, you can see these sections are powering what is a dynamic filter. Credit unions have complete control over how they organize this storefront. They can have this just for you personalized section and group kind of traditionally like this storefront is showing based on different categories of loans and deposit account opening products. Or they could really be creative in terms of how they want to showcase what is available to their members at the credit union. And remember, what Savannah's seeing here is personalized to her. And so not every member is going to be presented with the same set of offers. I have another member here, Shelly. She's going to see a different set of offers. Shelly's maybe struggling financially. She has some debt she's working through. So we're going to see as I scroll through Shelly's storefront, we have a different set of products that Shelly's seeing. She maybe has a credit builder loan that is presented to her. If your credit union offers debt counseling services, this is something that might resonate with Shelly. And so we're trying to highlight here, you have a lot of data about your members at your credit union. Take advantage of that. You can see what folks' balances are. You can see through the bureau what their trade lines are. Use that, harness that data to personalize the storefronts that are presented to your members and increase that engagement and that ability to cross-sell. And so we're going to turn now into a little bit of discussion, and then eventually we'll open it up for some live Q&A. But Danielle, having worked on this product now for the last year, what would you say is the most valuable functionality that the digital storefront offers?
I think it would be something you just mentioned, the personalization that it offers. I think at least myself and probably a lot of my peers are hooked on personalization. When we go to Amazon, we're not offers, but products are plated up for us. And I'm so used to looking there first to see where I want to browse. And so I really like that idea that in my home banking at my credit union, I can see products that they feel are right for me. And it kind of makes me feel known by them. Like I'm not just a number in their membership. They know Danielle, and they're kind of offering these things specifically for me. I think that's really cool.
Yeah, I love that personalization aspect too. I think it ties into this whole sessions and conferences theme. I also really like the pre-screen piece of the digital storefront. And so again, like there's no steps to have to take to see if I'm pre-screened or if I'm checked. I can see right away I'm pre-approved for this amount and take advantage of that. And so that to me is a big difference from what I've seen out there. And as a member, I think that's like really easy to take that step and say, yes, I want that.
Actually, one of my credit unions that I'm a member of has something similar to this, but I do have to choose. Like I have to agree to do a credit pull in order for me to see my offers. And frankly, sometimes I'm not interested enough to go through that extra step. But I do like that the storefront kind of shows me what I already can potentially get. So it's kind of cool. I have a question for you. Why would a credit union be interested in the digital storefront, do you think?
I think my opinion is the main driver and the power of the storefront is around cross-sell. And so credit unions in general, or any primary financial institution, typically their members or customers only have 2 or 3 products with them. But think of how many products your credit union is offering. There is a huge opportunity there to take those members and that data you know about your members and use it to increase member engagement. And by presenting those personalized offers, presenting those ancillary products like Gap right within the event, it just seems to make sense, and like it's an easy way to drive up that member engagement and that cross-sell opportunity based on the personalization and the embedded product offering that we offer as someone's going through kind of the primary reason that they're there.
Yeah, I totally agree. I don't have time to go scour my credit union's website to see what cool things are going on. But I am in home banking all the time. So it's really a good way, I would think. I can't say that. I mean, so I disagree. I agree with you, but I can't not say that one of my favorite parts that I think the credit union would benefit from is the ability with the deposit module to really grow deposits, improve liquidity. And the fact that our deposit module is not just an application that's being handed off to another system to be booked. It actually does the booking and funding immediately. So as a member, I get what I came for immediately. I'm not distracted. I'm not torn away by another better offer potentially. So I think that is something that credit unions could really benefit from.
Yeah, I totally agree. I love that straight through booking. There's no like hop over to a different system where I have to put my information in all over again. Again, it makes it feel like this credit union knows who I am. Like, let me open this offer. So I think that straight through booking is super cool too. And now we're going to do live Q&A. So we'll see you in a second. And we are excited to hear what questions you have about our product or what else we can tell you about the features and functionality that we can offer you.